Hey everyone, welcome back to Space from Messier. I'm Tony, and today we're going to continue unboxing these Space and Beyond boxes. This is not an endorsed video. These were not gifted to me. I purchased this with my own money because I wanted a subscription box of space stuff, so I bought them all, and now I'm opening them for you so you can see if you want them. Or you can just enjoy while I decorate this studio with all this cool space stuff. So if you didn't know, all the Space and Beyond boxes are themed. So 2 weeks ago we did space exploration. Last week was Jupiter, which was an awesome box. It came with that Jupiter globe, this Galileo's notebook, and some other really cool stuff, an AR notebook. This one is, I think we have another globe. Oh baby! The moon edition. I love the moon. Look at this. Look at that coaster. Look how cool that is. I love the moon. The moon is my absolute favorite. That's another video. No, it's a now video. Oh, they gave us another one. Okay, so basically here's what it is. So they give us this magazine, and basically it tells us everything that's going to be in it. Then it goes into like all about the moon. So I will be reading this tonight. Okay, first thing in the box is a notebook, a lunar AR notebook. So basically what this is, here I'll open it real quick. Okay, so this one, so the Jupiter one had a like Zeus, I'm pretty sure Jupiter is like the Roman version of Zeus. This one opens up with Diana. I believe Diana was the twin sister of Artemis? Or maybe Diana's the, I don't know. Anyway, she's the Roman moon goddess, Diana. So this is just a notebook, but if you open it to the front page, you get this image, and if you download the Astro Reality app, it'll pop out at you. Next, we've got a poster. Last one didn't really unfold that well. I'm gonna have to put some yearbooks on it or something. What do we got here? Oh, baby. Oh, yeah. This looks like a map of all the places we have landed. We, as in humanity, not the United States, have landed, and on the right here, the right here, it shows all of the, yeah, let's see. Luna 1, Luna 2, Luna 3, Ranger 7, Luna 9, Surveyor, everything. This is really, really cool. Okay, very awesome. I do want that one eventually, that's like the orbit, Apollo flight trajectory. That one's really, really cool, but it's expensive. Moonstruck memos. Sticky notes. Oh, that's fun. Oh, look. There's like, these are moons. It's getting overexposed, sorry. Here, hold on. Nope. There, you see? Sorry, there's a window right there. Okay. Very cool. Okay, so these are Post-its. I got little tabs? Oh no, oh yeah, little tabby tabs here. Fun. Oh, this is cool. Oh, my kids are gonna love these. Okay, cool. Post-it notes. Yeah. Doesn't get much better than that. Doesn't get much better. That's legit. That's like heavy. Apollo 11 patch, baby. This is what they wore on their sleeves when they went to the moon. Well, that would look good there. Put on my shirt. Here we go. Moment of truth, people. That's the sad song from Harry Potter 4. I shouldn't have. Hi, kitty. Come here. Oh, this is Kitty. Oh, she's so precious. I love you, Kitty. You gonna hang out with us? Oh, we got a moon globe, people. We got a moon globe and a little stand. Hi. Daddy's just opening some things. I rescued Kitty when she was 4 weeks old. I do talk about my kids like that, by the way. Here's the moon globe. Very cool. Much more maps than Jupiter. You like it? Okay, hold on. Don't go yet. And then we have another one of those astronomy cat hair. We have another pull-out from Astronomy magazine. Okay, awesome. So we got a patch. We got a sticky notes, moons, what are they called? Yeah, sticky notes, right? Sticky notes. We got a really cool map showing all the places we've landed on the moon as a human race. We have an AR notebook and this cool thing. So I'm gonna read that later. I'm gonna cuddle with my cat now. If you guys didn't know, I ordered a couple more of these and they come every quarter. So I will keep opening them up for you guys. You can see what's... That is disgusting, that noise. I will keep opening them up for you guys. I'm just kidding. And yeah, I can't focus right now because there's a cat in my arms. If you guys like these videos, please please comment and tell me what you like about them. This is now a new channel, so any engagement, any comments or likes or anything really helps. One, because I can see what you guys like and don't like and I can change, but two, I'd love for these videos to reach as many people as possible. So please watch all the way through and leave a comment and tell me what you think. Otherwise, I will see you guys next week. All right, bye. Say bye, kitty. Bye. She doesn't. Yes, she does. All right, peace.